You all know where I'm standing over here, right diagonally across Motzei Shabbos, center of Borough Park. Stearns Furniture, from the oldest furniture stores around, Borough Park's iconic Stearns Furniture. Let me show you, Kevin, what's going on here. To do Epis was skimped. Yeah, you guessed it, the 8-hour sale, the famous once a year 8-hour sales happening, Kevin. So let's check into Stearns Furniture. Sterling!
Thank you for coming. Welcome to Stearns Furniture. We have been serving the Borough Park community for about 30 years at this point.
Can I know that?
We are the manufacturers and designers of all the sets that you see over here.
Jeez.
So our specialty has always been to bring the best quality, the best service, and then the nicest designs. So you can see what we have over here.
Wow, it's gorgeous pieces here.
Now, the reason why we're here now is because we're going to be running our once-a-year sale this coming Sunday, January 25th.
I love that. 8-hour sale.
8 hours only.
8 hours.
Now, this sale is not overstock. It's not a warehouse sale. It's all brand new to order, meaning any dining room sets, bedroom sets, Kallah packages, anything you're looking to get, these are all brand new. Choose your colors, choose your sizes. Everything you see here is custom. All these furnitures come in different colors, different fronts and backs, different sizes for the tables, legs, and pedestals. Now I'll show you around. We have many bedroom sets, we have dining room sets, tables and chairs. I'll walk you into the other room. I'll show you many different designs that we have.
Beautiful
Over here you
stuff.
see one of our popular bedroom sets. A lot of the light colors are very in right now. These are one of our brand new pieces, so this is a beautiful new concept. You have a 2-in-1, you have the storage, you have the buffet. It's that type of concept together.
These are all your designs. You make
so we come up with the designs, we design them, we manufacture them, and then we bring them here.
Can I get my kick? So it's a 2-in-1, kind of a curio in a buffet together. Wow.
Now, one of our specialties are Kallah packages. It all starts with the bedroom set. So we have many, many different styles. You can see we have something for everyone. Some people like modern, some people like classic, and we really have got the full line of all of those styles.
Nice.
We have beds that are fully customizable. There's full upholstered beds, there's wooden beds, they come in all the sizes. Then we have the dining room sets. So all the sets come in single doors and double doors and buffets and tables.
Wow.
Now, everyone could customize their package. So you come in, you decide what type of furniture you're doing, what type of apartment you have, and we could basically customize it to your needs.
Wow.
Now, another thing you do, we see we have dishes here, we have linen in the other room.
What are you talking about? You do full dishes as well?
Today it became a full package that people are doing linen, housewares, bathroom accessories, and it's all under one roof. Now, all this is done by appointment. You get your own appointment, you come in, we have wonderful people working here that are gonna help you, and you get to choose everything. All the dishes come titled, delivered directly to your door. With the linens, I think we could say we have basically any linen that's out there. We're talking about all the nice stores, fancy stores, all of those sets. We have those as well over here.
Wow, where are your linens over here? The Kallah choose it, or it's like in a magazine?
No, we have every pillowcase over here. We choose them with you. You can actually take the physical pillow, take it next to your bedroom set, and then choose it together.
Oh wow, to match.
Now,
wow, look at this guy.
We have a whole line of casual dining sets. So it's either more dinette style for the kitchen, more casual dining for the dining room. So you know, everyone sees the apartment they have, they see what they're looking to do, and then we could really customize and tailor your package to your needs.
Nice, nice, nice. This is the new thing. It's like a epoxy style resin, no?
Yeah, so you'll see, you'll have a lot of the classic sets and then a lot of just new styles.
New styles.
You know, everyone's looking for something else.
Nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous buffets, gorgeous china closets. Wow.
Over here you have part of the linen collection. Now, if you take a look over here, there are hundreds and hundreds of different sets, every type of look, and we carry them all. Here you see some of our kitchen sheer line. Lots of these are customizable, different color legs, different color vinyls.
So you really take a Kallah from A to Z, from kitchen, dining room, bedroom.
A to Z. So we're here to understand your needs, understand what it is that you're looking to do and the sizes you're working with, and then we put it together for you.
Unreal.
And they tailor your packages exactly to your needs. Take over here another set.
Gorgeous.
All of these are customizable. You could do different colors, different tops.
Handles.
You could go with many different beds. So, you know, each set has its own version of what you could customize to it. There are many different sets, all different colors, different finishes.
Nice, nice. I love that.
Another thing that has been very popular lately has been, you know, full upholstered style beds, where people come up with a design. You could literally take a pen and paper, draw the design, we'll make it for you.
Really?
Yeah, you get to choose your fabric, your styles, and they have all of that as well.
You create, so they dream it, and you create it.
Here you'll see the same concept. You have a classic set to the right, you have a modern set to the left.
True.
So we really tailor to everyone's needs. There's a whole, you know, from time to time, there's different styles that come in. There's lift beds that come up. You know, all of these concepts. If there's anything you need, you can let us know. We typically have all of these as well.
That's very important for Borough Park houses, the lift beds.
Yeah, you know, so there's only that much you can actually fit into the store. We're here to show you everything else. But if there's any concept you're looking for, they have those as well. So at the sale, it's you come in, whatever you like, you know, put together your package. Now, another thing to keep in mind, you don't have to feel rushed with your decision. So a lot of people come in, you know, we could put down tentative what you're looking to get. And then you could come by, you know, after that and then finalize whatever it is that you have to do. So you don't have to choose all your linens on Sunday and all of that, you know? We put together the basic of what you want and then you come back and finalize after that.
I love that idea. Like that, he knows he got the package, you got the price of the package, you got the sale price, but then he can come later and choose what he wants. It's really, ich meine, the next Shabbos that I'm do in Stern's Furniture, I'm going to make my Shabbos. They have such beautiful set tables.
Thank you.
So till now we spoke about Kallah packages, and that's something that you do with white glove service. What if somebody just needs a simple buffet? It's not simple, it's gorgeous Italian furniture, but that's all he needs.
Everything you see here could be bought individually as well, meaning all these carriers, you don't have to get the full set. You could take just a single piece. Everything is drastically reduced on the sale. So you could come in, if you're looking for a specific size, a specific piece, we have them all. All of these sets you see here, things come in double doors, they come in single doors, some come in triple doors. You can have a look at this as well. We have so many different accent pieces, buffets, different styles that just blend in to different rooms. You know, if you have a very specific color and it's hard to find that exact match. So all of these could work as well.
So that's on your website, or you have to come in and
you come in, we sort of know what to show you, you know? You show us what we're working with, and then we'll know what to put together for you.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow, so Shirley, this Sunday only?
This Sunday, January 25th, it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And it's 8 hours only, so you're here. It's worth the trip from Motzei, from Lakewood, wherever you're coming from, and we'll be happy to serve you.
Amazing. But you know what my next question is going to be?
Of course.
What's with the Perlowitz promotion? I know you're having a crazy sale, but we got to top something, a cherry on the top.
This is what we're going to do for your followers. We've never done this in the past. I'm going to come in on Motzei Shabbos. We're going to open a Motzei Shabbos just for your followers, special. We're going to be here from 7:30 to 10:30. Wow. And you could sort of beat the rush, as they say.
That is crazy.
That's it. So, you know, the sale days do get overwhelming. There are lots of people here, but this is your turn. And come Motzei Shabbos and, you know, beat the rush. We'll be happy to take care of you.
Did you hear what he just said? Special exclusive for Perlowitz followers, because it's not putting it anywhere besides for this video. So if you're watching this now, it means you're a Perlowitz follower. You get to come here Motzei Shabbos, 7:30 to 10:30, and all you see is yours. Because some products he only has one or two, right?
Yeah, so some things are floor samples. It's going to be the last one. It's the one you see here.
So you want to come and grab that one.
4 in stock, and that's it. You know, we can order more, but the first 4 are the ones that get it right away. We have some stock chairs, set of 8, set of 10, set of 12. It's the last sets, and you know, first come, first serve. And then all the other products, we can order as many as you need, so they will vary. They will vary. Come in, let's see what you're looking for, and we'll be happy to take care of you.
Unbelievable. Chavre Motzei Shabbos, make sure you're out here. Beat the rush. Besides, you'll know you're a Perlowitz traveler if you come out here.
That's
Motzei Shabbos.
So we have Motzei Shabbos 7:30 to 10:30, and then we're going to have Sunday is going to be 10 to 6.
All right. Chavre, Stern's Furniture, 30 years in the line, Italian, custom made. They're there for you. White glove service. Surely will take care of you. See you soon on the Perlowitz Show. Chavre, hat's mal lecht gewach.